what's up, guys? So I thought that I would maybe do a different style of video today. Today I'm doing a kind of a, not really a POV. I guess kind of POV. Let me turn this down. Kind of a POV, kind of driving video slash vlog thingy. I'm just driving to the gym. I'm actually pulling out my driveway right now. So I have on this makeshift like chest cam. Hopefully it shows like a good like video for you guys and stuff. It's like so tight to my chest right now. All right, let's go. A little speed. Oh yeah. So guys, I thought I would talk about my other car. So this is my Ford Focus, really my mom's, don't tell anyone. But my Jaguar S-Type has so many problems. And when I say so many, I mean there's a full list. So I took it to the shop the other day to get some wheel bearing and ball joint replacement because I needed that. And then I got a whole list of other problems that I didn't know it had. So I got, let's see if I can remember it all. There's sway bar on both sway bars on the rear end, of course. And I don't know that much about suspension on cars, so if I say something wrong, just forgive me. But I need new sway bars. I need more. I need another tie rod for my left side. I mean right side, because I just got my left side replaced, but the boot's torn on the right side. So I need that. I have a broken exhaust hanger. I have no idea how to fix that. I guess you need like a welder or something. So yeah, broken exhaust hanger. Then I have a check engine light for solenoid C, which that is a big problem with the Jaguar S-Type and the Lincoln LS and all those cars. Transmissions are just crap. They're old Ford transmissions, so it made sense. I'm sorry, Focus. But yeah, and there's a few more problems. I can't remember them all. I'm trying to get it like situated. Right now it's just sitting in my garage on jack stands because I'm trying to align it myself, because I took it to Midas the other day. They said they couldn't align it because it's a Jaguar. It doesn't even make sense. It's just like every other car. Freaking crazy. So I've taken it to like state emissions shops because I have to like pass emissions in my state, in my region. So it doesn't pass emissions for some reason. And it doesn't pass safety for, well, the first time I took it to get a safety inspection, it failed because of the ball joint on the rear driver's side and the tie rod end and the wheel bearing, all on the driver's side. So I took it another time to get a safety inspection. That was like 2 weeks ago, actually 1 week ago, and it failed for cracking the windshield, which they didn't fail me first. When I first took it up there, they just failed me for my suspension components. It really sucks. I don't know what to do with it, to be honest. I was really thinking about selling it, buying like, I don't know, an RSX, like I've been kind of wanting, even though the Jaguar is a better car. Man, it gets up to speed pretty nicely. Doesn't do a bad job. I mean, this isn't a fast car. It's not really a quick car either. But, I mean, it's decent. It's definitely decent enough. I can't even tell you how my Jaguar is, because I haven't even driven it enough. So I think it does have sport mode and 140 more horsepower than this thing right here. But it's also like 2,000 pounds more than this. It's a heavy car. I really like heavy cars for some reason. I think because it just makes you feel more like planted, and the handling's like better on most like luxury cars that are heavy, like Mercedes AMG or anything like that. Except for like the American heavy cars, like a Hellcat, they do not handle too well. But I don't know, I might be wrong. I haven't driven one. Oh, I just want to get to this gym. Oh, this road's kind of complicated. Actually, no, it's not. I just go here. So yeah, if you guys really like this style of video and if it comes out like good, I'll definitely do some more. get like a proper chest mount though, not a belt that's strapped to my chest. Alright, let's get up some speed. Go down the window. Yo, I'm not breaking the speed limit though. I mean, I'm a pretty safe driver. I don't really speed. I mean, not really. Only in Mexico. I mean, I drive pretty safely. Especially when there's like passengers in the car. I mean, it should always. My brakes are squeaking so bad. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. Intersections used to confuse me so much. Now I'm just used to it. Oh, that was cool. Oh, there's like no one here. Great. Less people on the freaking machines. Alright, I'm gonna park. I don't know why I went all the way around here. I should just park like right here. Yeah, I'll just park right here. Don't hit the curb. There we go. Put in park. Yeah, guys, so I'll meet you probably after I get out the gym. So I'll see you guys in like 1 minute.